Just scrolling through the Aritzia website and I saw some of my most worn pieces from last spring are finally back in stock for this spring. So I want to do a little try-on of all of the items that I wore on repeat last spring because I feel like that is such a good sign when you wear something so many times one year and you're excited to wear it again the following year. I felt like I had to start off with this little one shoulder top because I currently have this top sitting in 2 other colors in my cart for this spring. I wore this so many times. This was my like go-to going out, like looking nice top. I just love it. This material is double layered so you don't have to wear anything underneath it, and it has one of those necklines that you can like really play around with it and style it so many different ways, so it's so versatile. Next up we have another top that I will be picking up in another color. I love this. I feel like the narrow halter neck and the drapey neck is so flattering, and then this is like a really stunning halter open back, also super comfortable, and I always got so many compliments when I wore this. Onto the pants because I feel like I could not make like a spring favorites video without talking about the cream lodge pants. These are currently fully in stock as of me looking on the website. I wore these so many times last spring and summer and they were often out of stock, so if you have your eye on them, I highly recommend picking up them now. So we have this linen maxi skirt which also was on a heavy rotation in my wardrobe last spring and summer. This was also perfect for traveling because it's long and loose, it's so comfy, but the linen material also keeps you nice and cool as we get into the hotter months. I love the fit of this. I love how it has like the drawstring waistband, so you can either wear it a little bit lower or pull it up a little bit more high rise. This is also double layered, so even in white it's not going to be see-through. I personally absolutely love this like natural linen color. I love it with white and I feel like it just matched with so much of my wardrobe. I'm so excited that this linen maxi dress is finally back in stock. Let me show you the back of this. It has this really stunning open back. It also has pockets, which is incredible. And what I love about this is it's just so simple and effortless. I brought this on my honeymoon to Greece and Italy and it was such a staple for me just because I could dress it up with jewelry and a pair of heels. You can also dress this down for sightseeing with a pair of flat sandals. It's great over top of a swimsuit, and honestly this is like I think under $100 for a linen dress. It's such a good price. As always, I will have all of this in my shop my. Let me know if you have any questions, and I feel like I have so many other favorites from last spring, so let me know if you want a part 2.